Welcome back to the top 10 trends driving digital transformation for 2017. We are on to the sixth trend this week, and this trend is talking about APIs. These are the interfaces that allow for companies to connect old and new technologies, or to connect the existing with the legacy with the new. And it's a really, really important trend. See, up to this point, we've talked a lot about the culture and the people and their roles in digital transformation, but the technology is very, very core to making those things work as well. Even though a lot of digital transformation can be people-led, sometimes people really like the technology that they're currently using. They believe in the software. The customers are liking the experiences that they're already having, and APIs are a big factor in making this possible. So whether you're thinking about how do you connect an old customer relationship management software with a new cloud-based customer experience software that you're looking at investing in, well, guess what? APIs are what makes it possible to get the data between those two softwares, which may have nothing to do with each other, and make them talk and collaborate and work together. These are also big for ecosystems. So as you know, Apple and Google have their ecosystems for your mobile devices. Well, you're seeing a lot of the same things inside of the platforms that organizations are using too, whether it's been Salesforce or Microsoft Dynamics or SAP. All these companies have ecosystems that you can bolt on their applications. But for companies that are really, really driving digital transformation, they're going to be more open-minded about connecting multiple software ecosystems so that employees, companies, and businesses can leverage all the power of the software that they have and that they've made huge investments in, and that they are finding usable with new technologies and new softwares and new applications that allow for big data and mobility and cloud and the maximization of customer experiences. So as we move forward into 2017, I think you're going to see the most progressive companies looking at how do they open up their platforms so that companies who have already made investments can get involved with their software without having to necessarily throw everything out that they've already done. And this is very, very important because over the last 10 and 20 years, companies have made massive investments to get software and get their technology into a place where it's efficient and effective. And yes, of course, there's new technologies that are going to make them even more effective and more efficient, but companies can't just throw it all out and start over, at least not very often. So the API in many ways is going to be the answer to this. So watch in 2017 for the growth of APIs inside of platform environments for both enterprise level and small business softwares to help companies digitally transform faster and take advantage of the new technologies that are coming into the market, along with the technologies they've already invested in.